Today I'm making classic deviled eggs. 6 ingredients, simple steps, and they always disappear fast. Deviled eggs have been around for centuries. Versions of stuffed eggs go all the way back to ancient Rome, and by the 1700s the term deviled started showing up in cookbooks. Back then, deviled just meant foods that were seasoned boldly. Over time, deviled eggs became a staple at gatherings, holidays, potlucks, cookouts, and family tables. If people are getting together, chances are someone brought deviled eggs. The ingredients for deviled eggs include hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, French's yellow mustard, salt, pepper, and paprika or paprika for garnish. Start by boiling your eggs. I always chill mine completely in the fridge, usually overnight. A fully chilled egg peels much easier. Warm eggs let that membrane stick to the egg white, and that's when peeling becomes a battle. Once your eggs are cold and peeled, rinse them off and pat them dry. Cut each egg lengthwise, scooping out the yolks and placing the whites into a tray, or you could use a plate as well. I use an egg tray with a lid because it makes storing them in the fridge easy. Crumble the yolks with a fork or a spoon and add a small amount of mayonnaise. Less is more here. Then add a more generous amount of French's yellow mustard. There's no exact measurement with this, just go with what tastes right. Add salt and pepper to taste and mix until smooth. Spoon the filling into each egg half. Then sprinkle with paprika or paprika over the top. It adds color and that classic deviled egg finish. Chill until you're ready to serve. And that's it. Simple, reliable deviled eggs. If you make deviled eggs, let me know what you do differently and let me know how they turn out. Thanks for watching.